Hello and welcome to my humble abode. Just kidding, we in a hotel room. Obviously, this is not my usual background. I wish this was my background. Do I need to go make up that bed back there? Can y'all see that? I should probably go make it up. You know what? I'm gonna stop being lazy. And we back. I am coming to you guys with another wig review. Y'all know I'm good for a wig review because I am a protective style shawty. So I have been collabing with Sam's Beauty and they've been kind enough to send me over multiple wigs, and the particular wig that we're gonna work with today is by Sensationnel. It is a Sensational Empress lace wig in the style AMANI. And I have to give a big shout out to Glamazon 1026 on here, and she actually reviewed this wig and she's the reason that I picked this wig out because I saw her with it on and I was like, bet. Her wig game is impeccable. I'm trying to pressure her into making a wig lookbook, so go ahead and put the pressure on her for me. But shout out to Duana for this particular wig. Okay? We have the wig free here, and again, this is AMANI in the color 1B. First things first, some things that I noticed is that we do have a lace in the very front, but I definitely see the presence of some baby hairs, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use because this wig kind of like the texture of it, it doesn't really call for baby hairs. This is a middle part wig, deep middle part. Y'all know I'm a middle part girl, so that works perfectly for me. I see we have two combs in the front on either side of the part, one comb in the back, and then your standard elastic strap. So that's the interior of the cap. So without further ado, you already know what time it is. Okay, let's do it. Ooh. Come on, Diana Ross Jr. Come on, Donna Summer Jr. Little Miss Shaka Khan. This is what the wig looks like just plopped on my head, and the only comb that I'm currently using is the comb in the back. This is where the wig hits me, like in the middle of my back, and I am 5'10", so that is a pretty long wig. I would give that at least a 24. She looking cute or whatever. If you do not like big hair, I don't think this is the wig for you. I can say that already because it is giving you lots and lots of volume. We're gonna play around with it and see what happens. We're gonna let it do what it do though. But yes, this, I can tell already this hair can get huge. So I'm gonna play around with it. I'm gonna lay it down. Okay, so my camera's acting up, but I wanted to show y'all this process. Excuse my stomach hanging out. So the main thing that I want to do to this wig is to wet it down or just make it look a little more tame, only because it's getting really big. And this, like, after 15 minutes, it's gonna be out here. So I'm gonna see if I can tame it a little bit. Unfortunately, I don't have mousse, so I'm gonna use what I have, which is spritz and water. Okay, y'all, so I am back. First thing I can say is that I look exactly like the stock card. What's she doing, looking off? I look exactly like the stock card. So the pros that I would have for this wig is I just love this texture, y'all. I love this texture. I love the fact that it's giving you a kinky straight moment. I love the fact that it's giving you just like this blowout moment, like blowout meets humidity just a little bit to give you that volume. I love that. And I think the parting situation is kind of cute, even though I overplucked. Accidents happen, we all make mistakes, okay? I did go a little ham, Moses parted the Red Sea, but it's okay. I still think it looks really good, and because the hair is so big, you can't really tell that I overplucked. There aren't really any other claims on here other than natural parting. It does have a claim about heat, but this is not the type of hair that you really need to put heat on at all, so I'm not going to test that out. I don't really have any cons with this wig. You can tell by looking at a synthetic wig that this is not one of those that you just are going to like want to run your hands through all day every day, just because touching it is going to make it get bigger. And I can also tell you, just by the texture, you will get some tangling eventually in the nape area. I don't have any right now, but it's just the nature of like these types of wigs. I have nothing else to say. I am very happy with this wig selection. So again, thank you so much to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this wig. This is a sensational Empress lace wig in the style AMANI, and I'm living for her. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Do y'all like the big hair? If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, y'all. I give you lots and lots of wig reviews and just protective styles overall. And you know, I have to give you a beauty tutorial every now and again. So if you enjoy that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and give me that like button. Hit that like button so that YouTube can share this video with other people. And I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Go ahead and watch my last video. I'm gonna leave it here for your viewing pleasure. And of course, synthetic wigs, you love them. I got those here for you too. I got them. I got you. I got you. Click it right here.